Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You must pause and confirm legal ownership before proceeding. Altering Imei can be illegal and expose you to criminal charges. Once done, make a full device backup. You'll want a NAND-level backup and exported user data. You should also gather model info, firmware version, and Xiaomi account credentials. This helps with legitimate repair paths. Make sure to power the phone and verify battery above 50% to avoid interruptions. I'll explain lawful alternatives and recovery steps rather than walk you through anything illicit. You should contact Xiaomi support or an authorized service center and describe the Imei discrepancy. They can validate ownership and offer official repair or EFS/Imei restoration if supported. Once you've opened a ticket, provide serial and invoice details so they can approve legitimate work. Make sure to request written confirmation of any changes and retain receipts for warranty purposes. If official repair is unavailable, ask about trade-in or replacement options rather than seeking unauthorized tools or services that could create legal trouble. Once repair or official reflash is complete, you should verify the Imei via settings about and by dialing *0-6# for confirmation. If the phone still shows network problems, make sure you reinsert the SIM and test with another carrier or a fresh official firmware flash done by the service center. If things go wrong, keep the service report and escalate through Xiaomi support channels with documented failures and timestamps. This paper trail helps resolve disputes and avoids risky, unauthorized fixes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.